Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week, we're taking you down to St. Augustine for the Ancient City Auto Club's car show at the Florida School for the Deaf and Blind. This was a tremendous show. Wonderful show. Great. We loved it. This is going to be the car show cam. Don't worry about this video. There's not a whole lot on it, guys, because we didn't participate in the show. We just went out to check it out and look. We were just spectators in this video. But we did want to show you what it looked like, from the spectator's view when you roll up on it. And don't trust your GPS. We made that mistake. It took us in a weird way to get there. But anyway, we enjoyed it. If you're not into this video, just, skip right on by to the next one. There's plenty of videos that are going to be from this event. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We enjoyed it. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Now, without further ado, let's rev it up for the car show.
Turn right onto Genoplay Street. In 600 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Oh, it's all over there.
Mm-hmm. Your destination is on the right.
Mm-hmm. We gotta go back.
Mm-hmm.
They put us in one too soon.
Mm-hmm. Right there.
You guys are spectators at
Yeah.
the car show? Yeah, you need to turn right at the light. There's a parking lot down on the left.
All right.
Alright, thank you. Right there.
Oh, there's a gate right there at least.
Yeah.
I can come back and park right there on the end.
It's up to you.
Looking like that's about the only spot here.
Should park right there.
What, right here?
Yeah. That way you ain't have to worry about getting it off and on.
gonna be coming in all day.
Mm-hmm. This might have been one we should have stayed at all day.
Well, we'll know for next year.
Yeah.
This was more of a scouting mission than anything.
Uh-huh.
What do you think, that way?
Yeah, I guess.
All the damn traffic coming through.
Uh-huh. Bet the back of my shirt is soaked.
Well, it doesn't look like it.
Hey.
I'm walking. I'm going to the thrift store.
Alright.
Y'all be safe.
We
You
will.
too. Yeah, I bet that's a nice thrift store down here too.
Oh, yeah. Bunching up in my armpit.
Huh?
Shirt's bunching up in my
Where
armpit.
in the hell is the thrift store?
Right in here somewhere.
Yeah, gotta be.
Alright, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Ancient City Auto Club, St. Augustine School for the Florida School for the Deaf and Blind car show. Not sure it's all in that order, but hey, it was a big title for a show. It was also a really good show. We really enjoyed it. We took a ton of pictures, lots of video. We just really enjoyed it. We probably would have stayed a lot longer and done a whole, experience of the car show. But we had another show that we're going to be talking about in a minute on another video. Anyway, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. We are at 312 as of right now. We're just continuing to go to do new stuff, go to new shows. We're trying to expand out so you guys can see more of the North Florida car shows. But it would help if we had, if we were monetized and could get some of that YouTube dollars to help pay for it. Anyway, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're going to keep going out to the car shows. As long as you guys keep watching the videos, we're going to bring you quality content. And I hope you guys continue to watch these videos. So we'll see you guys out at the next car show and on the next video.